So you've just got your iPhone 5S and you're wondering what is going on with the iOS 7 start screen. Maybe you've had a previous iPhone and you're not quite sure what to do with iOS 7. Fear not, because we're going to give you a run through on how to set up your new iPhone 5S, starting with the SIM card. To get things started, in the box you'll find the box like this. Lift it up and underneath is this small packet. If you turn it over, you'll find the SIM card removal tool. Take it out like so, and to the right of your iPhone 5S there is a SIM card tray. Pop this in, push down, and up it pops. We'd recommend you put the SIM card in before continuing with the rest of the setup. And you'll notice the iPhone 5S takes a nano SIM. Pull the tray out, make sure the SIM card lines up like so, push it back in. And now we can begin setting up the iPhone 5S. On the first screen, slide to the right to start. Choose your language, in our case this is English, and your region. We're based in the UK, but you can choose any of the countries here. Just select the right one for you, it just makes things easier when you're going to use your Apple ID. Choose a Wi-Fi network to set up, or if you've got an active SIM card, use your cellular connection. We're going to use our cellular connection for now. And now your iPhone is being activated. Once it's done, it asks if you'd like to enable location services. Now, location services is a very interesting one. You can enable it, and we do recommend you do so if you want to use things like maps, but also be aware that applications can look at your location. So for now, enable it, and we'll go into a bit more detail afterwards. For this next screen, which is called setting up your iPhone, you have three options. Set up as a new iPhone, so if you've never had one before, use that. Restore from iCloud backup, or restore from iTunes backup. If you're running something on iOS 5 or below, choose a restore from iTunes backup. If you're on iOS 6, we'd recommend you use the iCloud backup just because it's wireless and it's very simple. Or if you've not had an iPhone before, set up as a new iPhone. Let's take you through these options. So you have this option to create or sign in with your Apple ID. If you've had an iPad, you've ever bought anything off iTunes, iPod Touch, you'll have an Apple ID. If you sign in with that, you have the same purchases available to re-download. If you choose to create a new Apple ID, you may have to pay for your applications all over again, which isn't the best thing to do. So if you can remember your Apple ID, use this. We're going to skip this step for now. Once you're done, you have to accept the terms and conditions. You can read through this, or you can not. We would just click agree. And agree again. Set up Touch ID. Do you know what? Let's set it up now. Click on Set Up Now. Set up fingerprints. Now you can store up to 5 fingerprints for different people to access your phone. Now when you're setting this up, we would recommend you do it from as many angles as possible because it's very sensitive. And as you can see, it's measuring the fingerprint. And it's just recognizing exactly what the fingerprint is. It takes a while to set up. Let's continue. Create a passcode. Now we've chosen 0000, and it's already told us this code is commonly used and can be easily guessed, so it's very well done in security aspect from there. We're going to change it. And if you choose something like 1, 2, 3, 4, Apple's going to tell you the same thing again. We'll just choose that. Again, it's commonly used, easily guessed. Now, would you like to use Siri? Siri is your personal assistant that you control using your voice. Everything from sending a message, booking a reservation, setting up reminders, checking the latest scores. We'd recommend you use Siri. And diagnostics. Now, this is a very interesting part. Because with the diagnostics, it says help Apple improve its product and services by automatically sending diagnostic and usage data. Diagnostic data may include location. Our instinctive reaction is always click don't send, because you have no way of controlling exactly what is sent, but if you click don't send, Apple shouldn't be taking anything off your phone. Welcome to iPhone. Let's get started. Welcome to iPhone. Let's get started. Here we have iOS 7. We'll be back with a video run through of iOS 7, but in the meantime, you've been watching how to insert the SIM card and set up your new Apple iPhone. If you're restoring from a backup, which some users will be doing, follow the on-screen instructions. It's even more straightforward than we've just shown you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. And please do us a favour and share this video. Until next time.